At Orthodontic Experts, we do everything we can to educate our patients on all aspects of their treatment. We understand that one of the more stressful parts of treatment is deciding on how to pay for it. By knowing all of your options, you can be confident in moving forward with your treatment. A popular payment option is using CareCredit. In this video, we will explain what CareCredit is, the benefits of using CareCredit, and how to use CareCredit. So, what is CareCredit? CareCredit is a credit card that can be used for a wide range of healthcare-related purchases, including orthodontic care. It is designed to help patients pay for treatment more easily by breaking up large bills into smaller payments. A lot of patients choose to have their treatment at Orthodontic Experts due to the wide range of payment options that we offer. We offer in-house payment plans that are great options. So why would you choose CareCredit? There are many benefits to choosing CareCredit. The biggest reason that you may choose CareCredit over in-house payment plans is that CareCredit never requires a down payment, and your payments can be extended past your treatment end date. If making a down payment at the start of treatment is not an option for you, CareCredit might be a good choice. Typically, orthodontic treatment can take around 18 to 24 months. But if you'd like to extend your payments up to 60 months, then CareCredit might be a good option for you. If you decide that CareCredit is a better option, then you also benefit from no annual fees, higher than average credit limit, and no penalties for paying off early. CareCredit accepts most credit scores while providing a high credit limit. But how do you use it for your orthodontic treatment? It is an easy process that can be done at home or at your appointment. If you apply at your consultation appointment, you can be approved on the spot. CareCredit will provide us with a temporary card number which we can use within 48 hours after approval. After the window is up, you will need to wait for your card, which could take a week or two. If you decide to wait for your card to be mailed, make sure the card holder is at your appointment with a valid ID that matches their CareCredit card. You have the option to use CareCredit for the full cost of your treatment, or you can use it as a form of higher down payment, depending on the line of credit you are approved for with CareCredit. Once you make the payment with CareCredit, you will make payments for that balance to CareCredit directly, not Orthodontic Experts. If you decide to pay the entire balance of your treatment on CareCredit, you will only make payments to CareCredit, unless you add additional products or services to your treatment at a later date. You can make payments online or over the phone. Your first bill should be mailed to you unless you choose a paperless option. CareCredit plans we accept at Orthodontic Experts include standard account terms, 6-month deferred and no interest if paid in full, 24-month fixed payments and reduced APR, 36-month fixed payments and reduced APR, 48-month fixed payments and reduced APR, 60-month fixed payments and reduced APR. We hope this video has given you a better understanding of CareCredit. Please like this video if you found it helpful. If there is anything else that would help you with your payment decision, let us know in the comment section below. If you still have questions or would like to schedule a free consultation, give us a call at 855-720-2470 or visit our website at orthodonticexperts.com.